Okay, if your ex na food, which kind of food your ex go be?
A very big fool.
No, not be food now. Wait, I said food. Killer. Yeah. Welcome to Fair Media FM. It's another wonderful day. I'm here with
Jessica.
Okay, Jessica, quick questions. Who's your favorite artist?
Davido.
What's your favorite Davido song?
Few.
Oh yeah, nah. I'm on the phone.
Calling you tonight.
Yeah. Man, give back up.
I won't make sure. Make me know the fight.
I don't want to sleep alone.
Tight. What's up for my eyes? But I'll be alright.
Now, what are you doing? Mama Lanka.
Mama back. It's okay.
Wait, I never reached that.
You can't finish.
Okay, dream place to travel to. Seychelles. Like they say they don't ban Nigerians, so they go there.
We'll pass that border.
Okay, you use Ghana passport to go.
No, I never tell you.
All right. Dream place, dream car. That's why they think I'm like, you never know your dream car. A bus.
I don't know which one is that.
But which one if you go tell you? Give me two. I mean, don't know the name.
Maybe Vela.
They buy Vela like Camry for Lagos recently. Everybody they buy Vela.
Oh, well, in this life, have money or you go suffer.
Okay, apart from Davido, 2 celebrities you like to hang out with? Can be girl, can be
None.
And I like Davido you like. Even Americans, no American celebrities. When I like Davido they listen to. Not like Burna Boy.
Little.
Have you trusted, approved, and trusted? You like that song, have you?
No.
You know? I'm a Burna Boy fan. I'm gonna go get you.
Anybody not sex me?
Okay, if your ex na food, which kind of food your ex go be?
A very big fool.
No, not be food now. Wait, I said food. Is it a very big food? I say if your ex na with this now, if your ex na food, which kind of food it go be? So I don't call her very big food, so I let go know the kind of food I want to be.
Ogbolo soup. Yes.
You don't like ogbolo soup?
No.
Yeah. Okay, if your ex na animal, which kind of animal it go be?
Giraffe.
I'm like say get long neck.
Accusations. These are not accusations. This is false accusations. And
If they give you $5 million, but the condition I say your pops go sleep safe for 1 year, you take them.
No.
That's what you like your papa. One person say they give him 1,000, say they sleep safe. I know it's not person fast do.
We do everything to get rich, we do everything to stay rich, and do everything to stay richer.
All right, okay. Last question. I pick from number 1 to 20.
6.
Number 6. Now 6 be your lucky number. What's your best one? Number 6. Okay. One secret you never told your ex. That's giraffe. Not be giraffe. It doesn't depend on me. One secret. As they see you now, so one secret you not tell her.
Not really. Just that he's a big fool.
Hey! Papa God, help me.
I did not really have the chance to tell him that.
Hey!
So, what's the guy name? Giraffe. I be the fear.
Oloye.
Yeah, big fool. I be.
Very big fool.
What did they worry you? Or go kill you? No worry, leave now.